Hello guys, you are learning in this video problems of snake plant and how to fix them to make sure you keep the plant in the best of its health. Let's start. We are discussing about the problems and the problem is number 6, mushy and soft leaves. Soft mushy leaves are a common sign of overwatering that causes root rot, leaf falling, and too much moisture in the foliage, resulting in a mushy texture. This problem can also arise if your plant pot has no drainage holes or the growing medium is dense or compact, which does not drain properly. If your snake plant sits consistently consistently in a wet area, leaves can turn mushy. How to fix this problem? Number 1. Repot the plant in a well drainage medium in a pot with drainage holes. Second, trim the damaged roots surroundings, move the plant to a drier location and provide ample indirect sunlight. 7. Problem is leaves splitting. One of the most common snake plant problems is splitting leaves that are caused mainly due to physical damage and low humidity levels, which leads to dehydrated foliage with cracks and splits. How to fix these problems? Snake plants need 40 to 50% humidity instead of misting the plant. Use a humidifier or take these measures. Second, splitting leaves are also caused due to damp soil that suffocates the plant. Do not water the plant until topsoil turns dry. Use a finger or moisture. 8. Problem is leaves bending or dropping. Bent or droppy foliage in snake plant can be a sign of overwatering. The thick leaves of these plants save water and can withstand a bit of neglect. Excessive moisture can unintentionally result in root rots. One more reason behind this is an uneven distribution of light, which forces other plant leaves to bend towards the direction of strong light. How to fix this problem? Regulate the watering only by schedule. Water the growing medium only when the topsoil dries out. Rotate the plant weekly so every part gets even sun exposure. 9th problem is stunted growth. If you notice your snake plants not showing any visible growth over a long period, improper light and pest infestation could be the major reasons. Snake plants are susceptible to mealybugs and spider mites that suck the sap from the leaves, stressing their growth. How to fix these problems? Keep the plant under indirect light for 4 to 5 hours per day. Mist the leaves with insectable or neem oil solution to deal with spider mites and other pests. 10th problem is thin and outstretches leaves. When the snake plants do not get enough light, they direct their energy to grow longer leaves to reach the light source. This also leads to thinner foliage as the plant focuses on developing towards the light source not healthy and wider. How to fix it? Move the pot to an area with bright indirect light to promote healthier new leaves. Second is cut the abnormally stretched leaves to maintain your snake plant. This is very effective remedies and solutions of the issues of snake plants. If you maintain the growth of your snake plants, must follow these tips. Guys, if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you for watching.